Sunshine Company introduces great quantities of global high-end fully automated production equipment. The factory is equipped with the 3D intelligent warehouse, the automatic pipe cutting production line, the automatic pipe bending production line, the welding robot, the automatic spray production line, the intelligent sewing suspension line, the intelligent assembly line, the intelligent air logistics system, centralized palletizing and automatic packaging equipment to achieve a high level of automation of whole procession. Sunshine Company Testing Center was established in accordance with the standard of ISO IEC 17025 system, CNAS certification. The site area of covering is more than 400 square meters. The center is divided into comprehensive, environmental, chemical, salt spray, flame retardant performance of 5 experimental areas, equipped with a variety of high-precision professional detector equipment, which could respectively realize the physical, chemical, composition, fatigue, tensile resistance, salt spray, flame retardant, packaging, and other performance testing, effectively ensure the product from the materials incoming, production procession, product completion, transportation, and other relevant high-quality demand. The Outdoor Life Experience Center of Sunshine Company, with an area of more than 5,000 square meters. The center is divided into 4 areas, one being the Multimedia Culture Hall, which can present the profile and development history of the company to the visitors. Starry Sky, Forest, Courtyard, Swimming Pool, Beach, and other 5 scenic spots respectively display camping, beach, indoor cotton, camping equipment, and other series of portable folding furniture, as well as garden, outdoor sofa, courtyard, dining tables and chairs, and other series of outdoor furniture. Merchants can easily complete the selection in an immersive and close experience.